In OneDesk, you can add your users to teams. This is useful if you just want to organize your users, but it's also useful to allow you to quickly add an entire team of users to a project or assign a team to an item. Here's how you can manage and put your users into teams. Click on the users icon, and here you'll see your users grouped into teams. These teams are represented by these icons here, and they have a name. If you'd like to create a new team, just click Add Team and complete the name field for the team. As you can see in my list of users here, I have a user called Susan User, and she is in two different teams. She's in customer support and development. I also have my team, which just contains myself, and here under No Team I have John User. So John User is not in any team, and I might want to move him into a team. I can do that just by dragging and dropping him, and he'll get moved into that team. The No User tag will not be shown if there are no users outside of teams. Now let's take a look at the user details. I'll double click the ID and open the detail panel. Here you can see on my profile that I'm only in my team, but I can add myself to multiple teams. So I can click Add, and I can add myself to the customer support team as well. Now when I click Close, you'll see that I'm actually in the customer support team and in my team. Now let's look at how you can use those teams. Choose a task here. If I open this task, I could maybe want to add followers here. So I can choose the entire development team, and you can see the team is added here. The little t represents a team, and the D is the first letter of the name of the team. This means that any notifications that go out on this particular task will go to all members of the team. I can also do that when I'm assigning. So I can assign this to the customer support team, and you can see the customer support team icon was added. And now when people look in a view that's filtered by assigned to their team, they'll see this item here. When you create a project, you can also share with your users by selecting a team. So I choose the customer support team for this new project. And create the project. This project has been shared with that team. So if I look at the details, you can see that they're already added.